Hi, I'm Greg from RVHaulers. I'm going to be showing you something different today. Normally we're taking a look at our big RV haulers. Today I'm going to be showing you something that I've personally been very intrigued with. I've been sent this HiBoy P6 and the timing was perfect. I've been really curious about e-bikes and I have this opportunity to test one of these out. I'm not being paid for this video. However, I want to show you what my experience has been like getting exposed for the first time to one of these e-bikes. Join me in this video if you're interested. Let's get this unpacked. Before this came across my email, this opportunity, I had actually been doing a whole bunch of research and learning. I'd ridden some of my friends' bikes. I've gone to some stores and learned about what was available out in the market. And this one has been really a pleasant surprise. Let me give you a rapid fire, some stats, and then what we're going to do is hop on this thing and go for a ride. And I'll give you my first impressions. Well, since I've been driving this or riding this for the last 14 kilometers. The first and most important thing that I looked at is this is a 750 watt motor. It has also in the suspension, front suspension, and it's got 3 levels of compression and rebound. So you can tune it a little bit. 26-inch tires, 4 inches wide. It is a 48 volt system. The battery is removable. Something I was surprised by is this battery charges to 80% in the first 4 hours and it gets to 100% in 6 hours. So you can get on this thing and go ride for quite some distance. Their advertised distance, as they say, with you helping, you're able to go 100 kilometers or 62 miles. Well, I don't know if I've gotten that far yet. We've gotten up to 14 kilometers so far. And with pedal assist, I had this charged to the max. I'm still showing a full charge. Lastly, 2 more little details is it has mechanical disc brakes and the maximum speed is 32 kilometers an hour. I think that would be 21 miles per hour. I've proven it gets there. Let's go for a ride. So I'm 5'10" and I've set up the seat for a height that I'm comfortable with. So I've got my toes just a little bit on the ground, pedal height somewhat appropriate. It fits me really well. Very comfortable seat. There's a lot of ability to raise the seat as well as lower it. So if you're shorter or taller, I think it fits well. Let's go for a ride. Well, you can hear my drone above me. Obviously, my drone controller is not included with the HiBoy P6. The controller is here by your left thumb. We've got 3 pedal assist modes. We've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got a light and a horn. And I'm going to start off with pedal assist mode 1. And it comes with a Shimano 7-speed. What I'm delighted to show people is that even at the 7th speed, I'm not ghost pedaling. So the 7-speed does allow you to actually contribute. Now let's get my drone to follow me. All right, my drone's gonna hopefully keep up with us here. Okay, obviously I'm on a gravel road. It's fairly flat here. And with mode 1, what the pedal assist likes to do is sense your cadence with your feet, how hard you're or fast you're pedaling. Let's give me another gear. So we've taken it up to 4th gear. Hopefully you can see my knees a little bit there. You can see I'm not pedaling too hard, too fast. And I really feel that it's a very moderate to mild effort to go this speed. We're going 15 kilometers an hour. We'll try one more click. So we're going to take it up to pedal assist mode 2. I can feel it's a little lighter on the pedal effort. Pedal assist 3. So I really feel a little bit of a jolt of acceleration under my feet. It likes to run right around 19 kilometers an hour. Whoops, I went too far. I wanted to go to 4. So I need to get us up to 7th gear on the Shimano. So pedal assist 4 likes to take you up to 22, almost 23 kilometers an hour. And again, I'm doing very mild pushing or effort at the pedals. Let's go to 5. So it really takes off. And what it wants to do is take you all the way up to 31, 32 kilometers an hour. So on the flat, we're doing 30.3. And I have to put very little effort into the pedals. Let's see if we can just slow down here. We'll do a spin around, go the other way. All right. As soon as it felt me put some pressure on those pedals, it really wanted to go because I'm still in pedal assist 5. All right, so now what we're gonna do is I wanna show you throttle only. So I'm not gonna pedal. I'm going to utilize just the throttle here by my right hand, and I'm going to show you the different speeds we get out of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, horn works. All right, we're going to go down to mode 1, and I'm going to twist the throttle. It takes off nice and slow and gently. It's not like it's trying to do a wheelie, and I can give proportional proportional throttle. So I'm just giving a little bit of throttle there. I'll back off. The slowest I can go, let's see here. It's letting me go, there we go. That's about where it first engages, and it's going 10, 11 kilometers an hour. We have a slight uphill. So that's pedal assist 1. If I give a little more throttle, gentle acceleration, there's 21 kilometers an hour. And we're gonna go all the way to the pin. So there's 30. It kind of hovers a little bit between 30, 32 kilometers an hour. And that's just at 1. So 1 really isn't limited here at the throttle. Right? 1 is providing a certain level of power, but it will allow you with the throttle to take you all the way up to speed. Likewise, changing to 2 or 3 or 4, it's still going to hold us right up between 30 and 32 kilometers an hour. So the braking is decent. Obviously the brakes are not hydraulic, they're mechanical, but I feel that they're adequate. I feel they're pretty good. And as you see on my display, I'm now up to 17 kilometers. So I've ridden this guy quite some distance here on these gravel roads, played with it in the farmers' fields as well. Seat's comfortable. Ride height is decent. And what's neat is the acceleration. I really feel that it goes well. So let's do that. Let's do an acceleration from stop. I'll do a hard brake. All right, let's turn around. And what we're gonna do is hit the throttle hard from a stop. Are you still with me there, Mr. Drone? You are. Okay, here we go. So essentially from a stop, hit the throttle. 12, 15, 18, 25, 29, 31, 32. That was pretty quick. So welcome to my yard where I have a lot of gopher holes. So it's a pretty bumpy yard here. You lost me, Mr. Drone. Well, thanks for joining me in my little mountain bike excursion. I'm Greg from RVHaulers. I'm always looking for things that are interesting to people that might be traveling with my RVHaulers. And this is a pretty cool toy to take along with you. There are some discount codes down below in the description. I thank you for those of you that have subscribed to my channel. Oh, my drone's running out of power. I think that's telling me we got to cut this video off. Thanks for watching. Thanks to my subscribers. If you have any questions about my product or these RVHaulers behind me, let me know in the comments field. I like to answer as many comments as I can. Thanks for watching.